Hello and welcome to Color Management in Photoshop. First, let's talk about what a color profile is. A color profile tells the computer how to display colors properly. Otherwise, when you're adjusting an image using an uncalibrated monitor or using the wrong color profile, and let's say when you take that to a printer, for example, the print would look like a disaster. So this is why color profiles are important. There are 3 ways to manage color. The first way is the input, such as using a camera or a scanner, or even creating a file on your computer in Photoshop or InDesign or even Illustrator or other programs that work with color managing profiles. The second way is the in-between, which is the monitor or display you'll be using. And the third way is the output, which could be another monitor or projector or even a desktop printer or even an outside printing service, because everything has a different color profile and works with color differently. Now it would be a great time to calibrate your monitor.
On a Windows PC, go ahead and navigate to the control panel. So I already have the control panel on my start menu, so I'm just going to click it. Now you just go to, if you have it in category mode, go to Hardware and Sound, select Display, and in the corner here, select Calibrate Color. Now, all you have to do is follow the prompt. On a Mac, bring up Spotlight Search by pressing Command Spacebar and typing in System Preferences. Press Enter. And now you want to navigate to Displays, Color, and then Calibrate. Now just follow the prompt.
Where does a color profile come from? It can come from multiple things, such as a JPEG, from your camera, a scanner, even shooting in camera raw on your camera, or even from a new Photoshop, InDesign, or Illustrator file, and much more where you work with color.
Well, how do you know if your image has a color profile? Well, let's change a few settings here in Photoshop. So we are asked about color profiles. So go ahead and navigate to Edit and Color Settings. Now we are going to check the box for profile mismatches, ask when opening, ask when pasting, and missing profiles, ask when opening. Now I'm going to select OK. Now we are going to open up an image, and I'm going to bring it in to Photoshop from the desktop because I resaved it with a different color profile. And I drag and drop into Photoshop. Photoshop now is telling me that the embedded profile has a mismatch. So what would I like to do? So the embedded color profile I applied is Apple RGB, and the working is sRGB, whatever that stands for. So now you have the option to use the embedded profile instead of the working space, or you can convert the document's color to the working space, or you can even discard the embedded profile and don't even color manage. So I'm going to convert and select OK. Now my image has the correct working RGB color profile for this particular demonstration.
As you know, this is the last video in this series. I will be creating more content soon, so please feel free to check out my channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching.